What are you doing on my bed, you silly dog? Get off my bed! Get off the bed! Come on, girl! Get off the bed! No, seriously, get off my bed! No, I'm serious. Get your little dog butt off my bed. Get off my bed. Get off my bed, or you get fixed. You want to get fixed? Get off my bed. Even my sweater, get off my bed! Get off! I don't even... Raven, look at me! Look at me, young lady! Raven! Off! Off my bed! Why are you walking your tail? What's so funny? Off! Off! You're not supposed to be comfortable! That's my bed! Get off! Get off! Oh, seriously, I'm gonna have to change my pillow sheet. Get off my bed! Get off! Stop moving my pants! Stop it! Up my bed! Raven, get off my bed! I feel violated! I feel violated! Get off my bed! You getting off now? Raven, look at me! Look at me, young lady! Raven! 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 If you don't get off the bed, you're grounded! What are you doing? Come on, get off my bed! Get off my bed! Leave my shorts alone and get off my bed! Off my bed! Off the bed! Don't backtalk me! Off my bed! I have to pause over my pillow. Fuck is hitting you with this? Look, Raven, this is my bed, not yours. So get off my bed. Off. What's wrong with you? Can you not speak English? Get off my dog. Do you speak Creole? Che, morte su corpo nuem. Gosh, get off. Go. Go. Get off my bed. Get off my bed. Off my bed. It's my bed. You have your own little bed downstairs. Get off. Get off. Get off. This is funny. Get off my bed. Get off the bed. Raven, off the bed. Off the bed. Get off the bed. Get off. Oh, you're almost off the bed. What are you whimpering for? I'm the one that's sad. There's a dog on my bed. Oh, is there a bed underneath my dog? Get off the bed. Get off the bed. Off the bed. Stop back-talking me and get off my bed. Get off. Seriously, get off my bed. Raven, it's my bed. Get off. That's my bed. Come on. Get off, little dog. Ah, oh, come on. God, get off my bed. Ah. Get off my bed. Get off my bed. Raven. Raven, ignition, ignite, Posey. Get off this bed right this instant. Ah, come on. Seriously now. Seriously. This is a violator. Just scratching on my bed. What's your problem? Off the bed. Get off the bed. You know what? I'm just going to throw this pillow at you. Okay, that was an epic fail. Yeah, okay. Yeah, she's off the bed! She got off the bed! Bye, Raven.